Alright, count and non-count nouns. So I will discuss count nouns first. So count noun, the noun is countable. It means you can count with numbers. Now, what are those count nouns? So I will give you a few examples of it. Like cat, a cat, two cats, three cats. Another dog, a dog, two dogs, three dogs. What else? Table, a table, two tables, three tables. So those are just examples of count nouns. And also, it can be used with the indefinite article. Indefinite articles are an and a. Now, when to use an? We use an when the noun begins with vowel sound. Okay? So what are those vowel sounds? Vowel sounds are a, e, o, u. So when the noun begins with vowel sound, you have to use an. Like this, an egg, an elephant, an alligator, an apple. Okay? Next is a. Now when to use a? We use a when the noun begins with consonant. Consonant sound or consonant letter. Now what are those consonant letters? Like letter B, D, C, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, and Z. So those are consonant letters. Okay, like this example, a potato. Okay, you cannot say, do not say an potato because that is definitely incorrect. So a potato, a bag, a car, a boy, a girl. Okay? Next is moving on to non-count nouns. All right? Non-count nouns or uncountable nouns are for the things that we cannot count with numbers. So it is seen as a whole or mass. Okay, like this. So what are those non-count nouns? Okay, we will try to read these examples here. Bread, lettuce. I will give you a few examples. Milk, water, air, hair, road. Okay, sugar. So those are just examples of non-count nouns. All right. Next is sum. Okay, sum class is unspecified number or amount of people or things. So we use sum for affirmative sentences. Okay, affirmative sentences or positive sentences. Okay, for example, or I will give you some examples. I have some very nice animals. Okay. Next example, I got some informations. Another, I found some water. Okay. Like these examples here below. Let's get some potatoes here. Okay. We also have here, let's get some lettuce. It's this. Okay. Next is any. So when to use any? We use any for questions and negative sentences. Okay. Questions like this. Okay. Do you see these sample questions here? This is for any. Okay, same as here. Okay, we use any for this. All right. I will try to read these examples. Do we need any letters? Okay. Next, another. We don't need any letters. Okay, this is another case. So we also use any for negative sentence. Okay, when we say negative, the word has not. Okay, I'll write it here. Not. All right. Same as this example. No, we don't need any letters. We don't or do not. So we don't need any letters. Okay. Another example here is we don't. Okay. We don't need any potatoes. All right. So I will give you my example. She didn't have any money. Okay, another example, there isn't or there is not any butter in the fridge. Okay, so that is how you are going to use any. Okay, we will try to answer this exercise at the bottom. Okay, I'll try this dialogue. Kith, oh, they don't have any potato salad. Okay, it's because of the word don't. So it's negative. So they use any. Next, Jane, but we have lots of products at home. Let's make. So this here statement here is affirmative. Affirmative or positive. Now, what we are going to use or what are we going to use? Some or any? So we should use some. All right. Next is Keith. Great. Do we have blank mayonnaise? Okay, it's question form. Question form, some or any? So we use any because it's question form. All right. Next. No, we need to buy blank and we need blank onions. It's affirmative sentence. So we use some. Okay, also this one is some. Next, Keith. Oh no, I don't want blank onions in the salad. The word it has don't, negative sentence. Okay. Some or any. So we should use any. All right. Next, Jane. Okay, don't worry. Let's get blank celery. Then, okay, it's negative. Okay, I found don't here. So don't negative. We have to use any. Okay. Next, Keith. No, I don't want blank celery. I have an idea. I don't. From the word don't. Okay, what is the answer? It's any. Next, let's put blank apples in it. It's affirmative. So what are we going to use? Some or any? So we use some. Okay? So that's all for this lesson. Thank you.